tell us about your process when you're looking at the data. You said you're looking, sometimes you see videos that you thought in your head, this is going to be a hit, and it doesn't turn out to be so. Tell me, what's your process like when you're looking at that data? Do you say, hey, do you change the top? Do you change the heading? Do you change the topic? Do you just, how do you pivot? And then how do you know, what do you look at to know what to create more of?
Right. So for my channel, it's about 5,000 subscribers. It's hit and miss. For a while during COVID, it was a lot higher, the views. But I can typically, a good video of mine, I typically get in the first few weeks, right? And then it just, whatever comes after that's, extra. But in the first week or two, I'll hit like 200 to 400 views. It just depends. Sometimes I'll hit one and it does like 700 views. And then it just kind of grows because it's organic, right? It's just there. People will watch it over time. The video that flopped, like, horrible. It's still sitting, hasn't broke 100 views in over a week. And that's uncommon for even my channel. So I look at my analytics. I go back and I'll change the thumbnails and titles make a huge difference in the YouTube world. And even that didn't really register. And it was a video about a museum. It was a spring break thing. I thought it'd be cool to have a section of my YouTube channel called Day Tripping. And the idea is that I tell people, hey, just because you live in Palm Beach County doesn't mean that you can't go explore South Florida. And so I'll go like an hour or 2 hours away, right? And so there's no hotel stay. It's just, hey, it's a 2-hour trip, have a little fun. And I show people those kind of things in South Florida. Well, this was one of those videos, but it didn't
jive.
Yeah. So, I look at that and I realize, okay, that isn't what they care about. And I'll go back and talk to my community. I'm starting to do lives again, where on Friday night, I'll actually get live and ask people to come live and watch me. And we have fun. I'll grab a beer. We'll talk, and I'm just kind of an open subject. I'm like, hey, what do you guys like? What do you want to know about Florida? And people will give you suggestions about videos. And so I'll think, okay, that's my audience telling me, Paul, we would like to see a video on this.
Yeah, that's really cool.
And that's like the slap in the face. Go make that video, because they're literally telling you they want to see it. So, I look at that, and I look at the analytics a lot and kind of see where the views are. And also, I know my audience. I know the age and the of my audience, the majority of people, and when they watch. My videos are Sunday at noon, because I know that majority of people watch my videos at Sunday from noon to about 6. That shows the highest percentage of viewers on my channel.